Hello and welcome to my first video of courses review series. In this series, I'll review and give my recommendations for different training courses. As many has asked me to recommend Revit online training, I'll start this series by reviewing one of the best Revit courses available on the market. It's Autodesk Revit, beginner to an intermediate level, provided by Stephen Fagan on udemy.com. At the end of the video, we will be giving 3 free coupons to this course, which is one of the best selling nowadays, so stay tuned to know how to be considered for one of these coupons. Now, let's go into the course. As per the description, the course contains everything you need to know to get started with Revit. The course starts by installation of the software, then a small introduction. After that, the tutor leads the user to understand the interface and gives a brief on the main terminology of Revit. I prefer courses that start that way because it builds the user's dictionary and help him understanding the language that will be used in the course itself. It's important to know the name of each area of the Revit interface for easier reach to the tools. The tutor then taught us how to model and modify elements using the various tools in Revit. During that, he explained one of Revit's main elements, which is the walls. Next, the tutor went through the various elements that can be modeled in Revit: levels and grids, columns, walls, slabs, doors, windows and openings. After that, we learned some techniques to easily duplicate elements to other floors. The level of the course starts elevating by introducing some of the more complex categories like stairs, railing, roof, ceiling and curtain walls. The course then covers the 2D elements needed for annotations and creating sheets ready to be printed. It also explains schedules and how to create schedules for the various elements of the model. The tutor spent good time also explaining how to render good images and how to make walkthrough videos. My review was based on many aspects. 1. Organization of the course. The course covered the important topics needed for every beginner, and the sequence was logical. The flow of the course was smooth and was like building a masonry wall row after row. 2. The tutor. The tutor way of explanation was easy, and his experience can be seen as he gives you the shortest way to do things. In addition to that, the tutor is always available and he responds to questions from students on a regular basis. 3. The content. The course gives what it promises in the description, and it's a good start for anyone seeking to start working with Revit. Finally, and based on above, I do recommend this course for beginners and even for intermediates who want to refresh their knowledge. Now it's time for the coupons. Like this video and share it to be considered in the draw. We will pick 3 participants randomly after a week. All those who will like and share the video will enter the draw, but the more you share, the higher your chance of winning will be. Participants from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn will be considered. But wait, even if you didn't win a free coupon, send us a message and we will give you a discounted coupon to the course. Good luck everybody and goodbye.